Question 1. In which century did the first movement against Vedic ritualistic practices start? A. 19th century BC. B. 14th century BC. C. 5th century AD. D. 600 BC. Answer. D. 600 BC. Question 2. The Ajanta cave paintings mostly belong to the period of The. A. Mughals. B. Mauryas. C. Chalukyas. D. Guptas. Answer. D. Guptas. Question 3. The deep transforming effect that the Kalinga war had on Ashoka has been described in A. Archaeological excavations. B. Rock edicts. C. Coins. D. Pillar edicts. Answer. B. Rock edicts. Question 4. The proud title of Vikramaditya had been assumed by A. Harsha. B. Chandragupta II. C. Kanishka. D. Samudragupta. Answer. B. Chandragupta II. Question 5. In which region was the first metallic coin used in India? A. The Indo-Gangetic Plain of central India. B. The Himalayas. C. Bihar and eastern Uttar Pradesh. D. The Deccan Plateau. Answer. A. The Indo-Gangetic Plain of central India. Question 6. Which of the following was the first metal to be discovered and used as tools by humans? A. Iron. B. Gold. C. Tin. D. Copper. Answer. D. Copper. Question 7. The philosophy propounded in the Upanishads is known as A. Advaita. B. Vedanta. C. Yoga. D. Samkhya. Answer. B. Vedanta. Question 8. After the growth of the religion, the most important development in the history of the so-called Hinduism was the development of A. Shaivism. B. Sikhism. C. Bhagavatism. D. Tantricism. Answer. C. Bhagavatism. Question 9. Bhagavatyam refers to worship of A. Vasudeva Krishna. B. Brahma. C. Brahma Vishnu Shiva. D. Durga as Shakti. Answer. A. Vasudeva Krishna. Question 10. Vaishnavism, a later development of Bhagavatism, advocates the worship of A. Vishnu. B. Ram and Krishna. C. Vishnu and his incarnations. D. Vishnu and Lakshmi. Answer. C. Vishnu and his incarnations. Question 11. The Hindu social sacraments such as marriage etc. are performed on the basis of The. A. Dharma. B. Yajurveda. C. Grihya Sutras. D. Upanishad. Answer. C. Grihya Sutras. Question 12. The founder of Jainism was A. Rishabha. B. Neminath. C. Parsvanatha. D. Vardhaman. Answer. C. Parsvanatha. Question 13. Vardhamana Mahavira, the 24th Tirthankar of Jainism, was born at and died at A. Vaishali and Rajagriha. B. Kusinara and Pava. C. Kundagrama and Pava. D. Kashi and Champa. Answer. C. Kundagrama and Pava. Question 14. The three jewels, Triratnas, of Jainism are A. Right faith or intentions, right knowledge and right conduct. B. Right action, right livelihood and right effort. C. Right thoughts, non-violence and non-attachment. D. Right speech, right thinking and right behavior. Answer. A. Right faith or intentions, right knowledge and right conduct. Question 15. Of the 5 vows, Panch Anuvratas, of Jainism, 4 existed before Mahavira. The one which he added was A. Not to kill, non-injury. B. Not to steal. C. Non-attachment to worldly things. D. Celibacy. Answer. D. Celibacy. Question 16. In Jainism, the aim of life is to attain nirvana or moksha, for which one has to A. Follow 3 jewels and 5 vows. B. Practice non-violence and non-injury to all living beings. C. Renounce the world and attain right knowledge. D. Believe in the Jains and absolute non-violence. Answer. A. Follow 3 jewels and 5 vows. Question 17. Buddhism was divided into Mahayana and Hinayana during the reign of A. Asoka, B. Kanishka, C. Menander, D. Harsha. Answer. B. Kanishka. Question 18. The great exponent of Mahayana Buddhism was A. Ashwaghosa, B. Vasubandhu, C. Nagarj, D. Nagasena. Answer. C. Nagarj. Question 19. Jataks are the stories of A. Buddha's life, B. Buddha's previous lives, C. The lives of the future Buddhas, D. Great saints of Buddhism. Answer. B. Buddha's previous lives. Question 20. Outside India, Buddhism was first accepted in A. China, B. Japan, C. Sri Lanka, D. Tibet. Answer. C. Sri Lanka.